Welcome back. In this lesson, we are diving into a topic that can significantly impact your profitability, saving on fees with eBay store subscription. If you ever felt like eBay fees are eating into your margins at this point, this lesson is for you. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how eBay store subscription works, how they can save you money, and how to choose the right subscription plan for your business. So let's get started. So the first thing is, let's talk about insertion fees and the selling fees or the final value fees. We've talked about them in very much details in the previous lessons, but here I'll just remind you briefly of it. The listing fee, which is basically charged when you list an item, and the selling fee, which is a percentage of the total sale amount, including shipping. That's about it. So now let's head into eBay store subscription, which is the way that's going to let you save money on your store eBay fee.
Just a quick reminder. This free dropshipping course is brought to you by Trackerbot. When you are dropshipping, making sure your tracking info is valid is crucial. Trackerbot makes it easy by automatically validating tracking numbers from suppliers like Amazon and AliExpress directly within eBay. That means better protection for your seller account and happier customers. To help you get started, we have arranged a special deal for course members only. Get 50% off your month on any Trackerbot subscription plan. Sign up at trackerbot.me/free course. All you have to do is in your browser type in www.trackerbot.me/free course, as you can see it right here. And then you'll be good to go.
eBay fee. To follow alongside with me properly, head to your favorite browser and then simply type eBay store subscription and then head to this page and you will be good to go. So you can see right here, this is the eBay store subscription, and we've got right here the different packages. We've got packages ranging from $5 per month for an annual subscription. Keep that in mind. Those are all annual subscriptions. And the basic store 21, 59 or 60 bucks, 300 bucks and $3,000. So I'm going to disregard this two right here because as this refers, this is for enterprise store and this is for anchor store, and I'm going to be explaining those first three. So with the $5, you get 215 months free auction listing or fixed price listings and 30 cents insertion fee for additional listings after that number. With the $21 right here, you've got 1,000 per month free fixed price listing and 25 cents insertion fee for additional listings. And the 250 per month free auction listings. So yeah, keep that in mind. And then you've also got much more with the basic store right here. So in the basic store, you have the lower final value fees or the selling fees that we talked about, free subscription to some tools right here, and then $25 of eBay branded shipping supplies per quarter. Also, premium store right here has 10,000 per month more and 10-cent insertion fee after that. Also 500 a month for the free auction listings. You can also see that it has lower final value fees, free subscription and $50. Also, those are just for bigger people, but you can read them if that's the case for you, if you need more than 10,000. So let's explain a little bit of the difference. So we've got two cases right here. We've got Paulo. It's basically Paulo lists about 1,100 items per month. He chooses a basic store to get extra free monthly listings and unlock a discounted final value fee. The rate is 12.7% for antique sales compared to 13.6%. So in this case, he's saving about 0.9% in the selling fee or the final value fee. To figure out how to do that, you can get ahead and click at this lower final value fees, and then you will check your category and you will see if there is any lower case for you. So keep that in mind. As the category differs, of course, it's going to differ. So his basic store gets him 1,000 free zero insertion fee listings each month, and it only costs him 25 cents per listing. So the 1,000 he's paying nothing on, and the 100 is paying 25 cents per listing after that, or $25 a month at his current volume. If he upgraded to a premium store, he will get 10,000, but it will also add $13 more for him. So it made more sense for him to keep the basic store with lower monthly fee. So we've got also another seller right here, which is doing much more volume. So it chooses premium store because of the freedom and having 10,000 free fixed price listings per month. Since she sells multiples of 100 different products, she also likes the $50 coupon per quarter, and supplies give her to customers a consistent, seamless shopping experience. So yeah, you've got two cases right here. It will really depend for you. And you've got also right here a few things to consider is that how many free listings do you need? Have you checked your final value fees? And what level of support do you want? So in this case, if you're still a beginner, I wouldn't even consider heading on eBay store subscription. I've explained some other things as well in the previous lesson if you have followed alongside when I was explaining the seller fees and the insertion fees, which is a very important lesson to go back and really understand very well. So right here, as I said, you need to understand how many free listings do you need. Have you checked your final value fees? Do you have any fees that can go down? As I said, you can click on here. You will be able to see it right here in the category. It depends really on what you're saying. I can't say in general. So right here, for example, this is the normal starter store subscribers. So right here, you have starter store subscribers. And if you go ahead, for example, if you look at most categories, it's going to be 13.6% and 2.35% on sales over $7,000. And if we go down right here to basic, premium, and anchor, basically all the other than starter, it will give you 12.7%, and 2.3 is going to stay the same. So you're going to lose 0.9 right here, but this is for the antiques category. So for example, for the babies category, it's 12.7% right here. It's going to be probably considered under the most categories. So yeah, exactly. So I hope that makes sense for you. eBay store subscription can really save you a lot of money. That was it for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.